question. Do you ever try to talk about your day in English, but you don't know the right words?
Oh, yes. Like someone asks, what do you do every day? And you just freeze.
Exactly. You know your routine, you live it every single day, but saying it in English, that feels hard.
Like you wake up, you eat, you go to work or school, but how do you say all of that in English, naturally?
Yes, and today we are going to fix that together.
This is English conversation practice for beginners. Simple words, real life. Let's go.
Hey everyone, welcome back to Easy English Podcast.
I'm Sarah.
And I'm Mike. So happy you are here with us today.
If this is your first time on our channel, hello, welcome. This is a safe place to practice your English.
We talk slowly, we keep it simple, and we make it feel like a real conversation, not a boring lesson.
Because the best way to learn English is to hear real English again and again.
So let's get into today's topic. And this one is so useful for everyday life.
Okay, so today we are talking about daily routines, what you do every day.
And this is one of the most important topics for beginners because people ask about this all the time.
Right. What time do you wake up? What do you do in the morning? Do you cook at home? These are very common questions.
And when you can answer these questions naturally, you feel so much more confident in English.
Also, talking about your routine uses very simple verbs. Wake up, eat, go, come home, sleep.
Short words, easy sentences, but very powerful.
So today we're going to practice exactly this with real conversations, real situations, real English.
Let's start.
Okay, first situation. Two friends are talking. One friend asks about the other person's morning routine. Very common, very simple. Let's show them.
I'll start. Hey, Mike, you look tired today. Did you sleep okay?
Honestly, not really. I woke up at 5:30 this morning.
5:30? Why so early?
I go to the gym before work, so I have to wake up early.
Wow, I could never do that. I wake up at 7:30.
7:30 sounds like a dream to me right now.
So what time do you start work?
I start at 9, so I go to the gym, come home, shower, eat breakfast, and then go to work.
That's a lot before 9 in the morning.
I know, but I feel so much better on the days I go. More energy, better mood.
Okay, maybe I should try that. Maybe.
Start with 7 a.m., not 5:30.
Good idea.
Okay, let's stop there. That was a great conversation, right? Very natural.
And did you notice all the verbs were simple? Wake up, go, come home, shower, eat, start.
These are everyday verbs. You use them every single day, so let's look at them more closely.
I wake up at 7:30. Mike, say that slowly for us.
I wake up at 7:30.
Good. Now, wake up is a phrasal verb. It means to stop sleeping, to open your eyes and get out of bed.
And you can use it with any time. I wake up at 6. I wake up at 8. I wake up very late.
No judgment. And after you wake up, what do? You have a morning routine.
Let's talk about the most common morning routine words. Ready?
Okay, morning routine vocabulary. Let's go through it together.
First, I wake up. This is the very first thing. You stop sleeping.
Then I get up. This means you actually move. You get out of bed.
These two are similar, but wake up is when your eyes open. Get up is when your body moves.
For example, I wake up at 7, but I get up at 7:15. Those extra 15 minutes are important.
So important. Okay, next. I brush my teeth. Very simple. Everyone does this.
Then I take a shower, or I have a shower. Both are correct. Both are natural.
Then I get dressed. This means you put on your clothes.
Then I eat breakfast, or I have breakfast. Again, both work perfectly.
And finally, I go to work or I go to school, depending on your life.
So the full morning routine sounds like this. Ready? Say it with us.
I wake up. I get up. I brush my teeth. I take a shower. I get dressed. I eat breakfast. I go to work.
Beautiful. Simple. Natural. That is a perfect morning routine in English.
And you can add times. I wake up at 7, I eat breakfast at 7:30, I go to work at 8:30.
Very easy, very clear, and very useful.
Okay, let's expand now. Morning routine is great, but what about the rest of the day?
Yes, because life doesn't stop after breakfast.
Unfortunately. Okay, let's do another conversation. This time, talking about the afternoon and evening routine.
Go ahead, Mike. So, what do you usually do after work?
Hmm, it depends on the day, but usually I come home around 6. Then I cook dinner.
Oh, you cook. I didn't know that.
I try to. I'm not a great cook, but I'm learning.
That's so good, though. I usually just order food. I'm too tired to cook after work.
I understand that. Sometimes I do that too, but cooking at home is cheaper, so…
True, and healthier, right?
Exactly. So yeah, I cook, I eat, I watch something on TV or my phone, and then I sleep.
What time do you go to sleep?
Around 10:30, 11 at the latest, because I wake up so early, remember?
Right. 5:30, man. I still can't believe that.
It's a lifestyle.
What about weekends? Is your routine different?
Oh, totally different. On weekends, I wake up at 8 or 9, no gym, just relax.
That sounds perfect.
It really is. What about you? What's your evening routine?
Pretty simple. I finish work at 5, I go for a walk. I love walking in the evening.
Oh, that's nice.
Then I come home, make tea, read a little, and sleep around 11.
That sounds really peaceful.
It is. I love my evenings. My mornings, though.
We know. 7:30.
Okay, so that conversation had some really great phrases. Let's look at a few.
Mike said, "It depends on the day." This is such a useful phrase. It means not every day is the same. Sometimes it's different.
You can use this for so many questions. What do you eat for lunch? It depends on the day. What time do you sleep? It depends on the day.
Very flexible, very natural.
And Sarah said, I'm too tired to cook. This structure is really useful. I'm too tired to… plus any verb.
For example, I'm too tired to go out. I'm too tired to study. I'm too tired to talk.
We've all said that last one.
And one more. At the latest. Sarah said, I sleep at 11 at the latest. This means 11 is the maximum, never later than 11.
You can say, I wake up at 8 at the latest, or I leave the house at 9 at the latest.
Small phrase, but it sounds very natural when you use it.
Great. Now let's look at some more variations, different ways to talk about your routine.
Okay, so instead of always saying, I go to work, you can say, I head to work. It sounds more casual.
Instead of I eat breakfast, you can say I grab breakfast, like I grab a coffee and a sandwich on the way to work.
Grab is a very casual word. It means take quickly. I grab my bag. I grab some food. I grab a seat.
Very common, very natural.
And instead of I watch TV, you can say I put something on, like I put something on Netflix and relax.
Oh yes, put something on. Very natural, very casual English.
So, I grab breakfast, head to work, and put something on TV in the evening. Listen to that. Sounds like a native speaker, right?
It really does. And it's not complicated at all, just different word choices.
That's the secret. Small changes, big difference.
Okay, practice time. Say these sentences out loud. Come on, really say them, not just in your head.
Out loud. Your mouth needs to practice. Ready? Let's go.
I wake up at 7:30.
I get up and brush my teeth.
I take a shower and get dressed.
I grab breakfast before work.
I head to work at 8:30.
I come home around 6 o'clock.
I cook dinner and eat at home.
I put something on TV and relax.
I go to sleep at 11 at the latest.
On weekends, I wake up late and just relax.
It depends on the day.
I'm too tired to cook today.
Amazing. Now go back and say those again, but this time change the times. Use your real times, your real routine.
Make it personal, because when you talk about yourself, it sticks better. You remember it better.
So instead of I wake up at 7:30, Say your real wake-up time. Make it your sentence.
That is real practice. That is how you actually learn.
Okay, we have a fun challenge for you today in the comments. Write your morning routine in English, just 3 or 4 sentences. Simple is totally fine.
For example, I wake up at 7. I drink coffee. I go to work at 8:30.
Or, I wake up at 6, I go to the gym, I eat breakfast at home, I start work at 9.
3 sentences, 4 sentences. That's it. You can do this.
And here is a bonus challenge. Tell us one thing you do every day without fail, something in your routine that never changes.
Mine is tea. I make tea every single morning, every day, no exceptions.
Mine is the gym. Even when I don't want to go, I go. So tell us yours. We love reading your comments, and we reply as much as we can.
So write something, anything. We are cheering for you from here.
Okay, friends, we are at the end of today's episode, and I just want to say you did great today.
Seriously, you listened to real English. You practiced real sentences. That is not nothing. That is real progress.
And remember, your daily routine is your story. You already live it. Now you can tell it in English.
That is such a cool thing. Think about it. You have something real to say. You just needed the words.
And now you have them. So go practice. Talk to yourself in English. Describe your morning out loud. It sounds silly, but it works. It really works.
When you're making coffee, say it. I am making coffee. When you're getting dressed, say it. I am getting dressed. Small moments, big practice.
Every little bit counts. Every sentence you say in English, you are getting better, even when it doesn't feel like it.
If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up. It means so much to us, and it helps other learners find our channel too.
Subscribe to Easy English Podcast if you haven't already. New videos every week, just for you.
And turn on notifications so you never miss an episode.
We will see you in the next video. Keep going, keep practicing. You are doing better than you think. I promise.
See you soon, everyone. Take care.
Bye.
Bye-bye. See you next time.